What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be playing American Farming by Squad Built, and we're gonna be starting a new series. And we're gonna be playing on Let's see what kind of map we want. Let's see what farm we want. I think we're gonna go to Cedar Creek Farm. Start with, and we're gonna choose the farm. Now customizations. What kind of hat do we want? Let's get a UNM. I think that'll be good. And then let's go to hair. Nothing new. Beard. I like that beard. Shirt. I don't want a Case IH shirt. Let's go with the Max D trailer setup. Keep the jeans. Keep the boots. And let's save. I do not need tutorials. So let's enjoy the game. Let's hop in this here combine. 2188. Now let's chug a lug a lug a mile an hour. So I think we're just gonna get an AI worker set up going headlands around this field. And you know, what do y'all think? Do y'all think we need this disc? Let me know. But I think we're gonna sell. I don't know, we might sell it. We might sell the disc because we really kinda don't need it right now. We might keep it. And then let's unfold the planner right here. And the cool thing about this compared to Farming Simulator is in 22 you couldn't get workers to do headlands. So you know how it is. But we're just gonna get this whole thing planted. We're gonna detach this because I literally don't need this. We don't really need this thing, so we're just gonna park this over here by the hog pen. We might use it when we get manure or whatever. Sell the bale spear and get some bucket. But we're gonna go pick up some hogs. Some piggies. Some bacon. Some bacon in. Johnny. Oopsie, sorry about that sign. No cop, no stop. So we're just getting this whole thing planted. Or not planted. Oh my gosh, we're just getting down to the store. This is an amazing game, by the way. And I heard they're getting a new Wisconsin map sometime. Hopefully. I think that'd be cool. Wisconsin map. We also need to head down to Rollco Customs. Rollco Customs to get our truck customized. Big old farmer. Now I'm nowhere near close to affording that. There's some goals we need to address. Or there's some list of order of things we need to do. So I think we expand a little bit more land. Well, I think what we're gonna do, the next purchase we make is gonna be a land purchase. Oh, I'm terrible at this. Yeah, I'm thinking the next purchase we make will be a land purchase. Because the more land we own, the more money I can start making. And the more food I can make for my piggies. Let's get a sow, or how do you call it? I don't know how you do that. So we're just gonna get, their price is $80. Okay, how much is that gonna be? $1,800? That's not bad at all. For 23 mama pigs. Not bad, I don't care. It's okay, we still got $28,000. I'm thinking if we buy a field close to the farm, that would be good. The more land we own, the more money I can start making. The more money I make, the bigger we expand. And I'm thinking we don't go into beans yet, because let's just stick with corn for a while. And don't roast me in the comments about this, so about me terrible driving. Thought about getting this field, maybe. I kind of thought about when we were driving by maybe this field. But I'm thinking this field's right here beside our house. Or beside the farm. It's close and it's pretty good sized. Let me see how much they're asking for that one. Just take the back road into the farm. Mm-hmm. "19 animals cannot unloaded. The barn is full. Pen does not match animal type." What do you mean? Does that mean I can load them on here? Well, looks like we're making another trip down to the sale market. Go sell 19 pigs. First, it seems like this guy needs something to unload into, so we should go ahead and get that. Yeah, I just kind of pulled out the disc a little bit, but you know, it's okay. 1206 is a nice tractor. I actually like the tractor in my opinion. Yeah, we can go take these piggies the food that's in here. From what I heard is that the pigs produce like 6 pigs, so it's not like cows or anything. They only produce like 1, sometimes twins, you know. Very rarely though. Yeah, we got his truck back in town. Sell all 8. So, oh my, I'm so stupid though. What I'm thinking is like whatever the pigs don't eat in their thing, we're just gonna put in the bins and sell, or just keep it for storage. What I'm thinking is one bin's gonna be for pig food. One big bin's gonna be pig food, pig corn food, and pig food, and then the other one's gonna be for selling corn, just to make a little bit extra money. You know, I'm thinking if we ever do get them enough of money, we could just do a little hay operation on the side. Make a little bit of cash. Easy cat. A little bit of cash. But we'd have to make one of our fields up. But I'm thinking if we get that field right beside us, the big field, we can turn that little field into a little hay pasture or something. And do it there, you know. I made nearly all my money back. Rolling Coal Customs. I wouldn't mind getting a new truck. Even though this truck's good. Pretty well fine. It's just, I mean, having a bigger truck would be awesome. When we get back, let's take a look at all the things we might, things that, like things I might need, or I say I need, but I really want. Dude already finished that? Dang, not bad. What we should do is we should park the pickup truck right here. Now we should take our wagon full of corn, or halfway full of corn. Nope, wrong tractor, wrong tractor, wrong tractor, wrong tractor, wrong tractor. I tried to click camera, not. But now we gotta swing around and go get these guys some corn. Some corn. Doink. My head just got ripped off, like, literally. The piggies don't escape. Yeah, I don't need my piggies escaping. Well, guys, I think that's all the time we're gonna have for today. So don't forget to subscribe and come back for more. Wild Guys out.